Hey Sarelys, it's Mr. Negron, and I just started to look at your unit test and wanted to talk with you a little bit about it and show you some of the blunders that you're making, okay? So if you look down here, this is the first big question, and I want you to really pay close attention to how I solve figuring out where the dot is, because I know you know that 1/2 is not all the way over here. 1/2 should be in the middle, but this is what you have to do. You have to count the number of jumps between 0 and 1. So watch me do that. Ready? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's it. Once you count the number of jumps between the whole, that's your denominator for all of them. So you go 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Just like that. Okay? Your denominator stays 5 and you just change the numerators. So if you look at this next one, number 2, if you count the number of jumps between the wholes, it's 0 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 holes. That's 6 jumps between the hole, which means each fraction is broken up into 6 equal pieces. There's 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, and 6, 6. Okay? So just remember to tell yourself, I find the 2 whole numbers and I count the number of jumps between them. Now this one's a little bit different, this third question, because you still count the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But instead of saying 0/7, 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, 7/7, you start by putting the 2 in front of each. Since it's not between 0 and 1 anymore, it's between 2 and 3. So it's 2 and 0/7, 2 and 1/7, 2 and 2/7, 2 and 3/7, 2 and 4/7, 2 and 5/7, 2 and 6/7, and then finally 2 and 7/7. And you might be looking at that thinking, that's weird, 2 and 7/7. But you know 7/7 equals a whole. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. That's why that makes sense. So that's the first thing I want you to remember for your next test. Count the number of jumps between each whole number, and that becomes your denominator. And then you just start 0, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6 like that.